While restrooms represent one of the smallest areas in a facility, they are the source of many customer complaints. Restrooms often need extra attention as they can be difficult to clean. The right procedures, using the right products, and inspecting your work will help ensure a positive experience for patrons. The following will show the procedures for daily cleaning of the restroom. To begin, put on the required personal protective equipment. Before you begin the cleaning process, gather the necessary cleaning products including disinfectant cleaner, glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, and floor cleaner. Also, gather consumable items such as toilet paper, paper towels, seat liners, hand soap, and other consumable items that might be needed. Prior to entering the restroom, knock and announce yourself and prop the door open. Then, close the restroom for cleaning. Next, post wet floor signs. Check and refill soap and consumable dispensers. Apply toilet bowl cleaner to the interior of toilets and urinals. Then, apply a disinfectant cleaner to the exterior of toilets and urinals. Apply a disinfectant cleaner to sinks, countertops, and all frequently touched surfaces. Next, clean the mirrors with a glass cleaner. Clean and wipe the exterior of dispensers. Then, wipe the sinks, countertops, and high-touch surfaces. Next, spot clean walls and partitions. Using a toilet brush, clean the interior of toilets and urinals. Wipe down the exterior of toilets and urinals. Designating different colored microfiber cloths to different surfaces in the restroom helps prevent cross-contamination. For example, you wouldn't want to use a microfiber cloth to clean a toilet and then use the same cloth to clean a door handle. Next, empty all trash receptacles. Tie the trash bag and remove the liner by pulling it straight out. Never push trash down with your hands. Once emptied, replace the liner. Next, thoroughly sweep the floor. Then, damp mop the floor using a floor cleaner. Be sure to change mop water frequently. Do not mop the floor with dirty water. After the floor has completely dried, visually inspect your work. Remove personal protective equipment and wash your hands. Then, remove wet floor signs and open the restroom for traffic. Remember, immediately report any broken or malfunctioning fixtures or equipment to a member of management. After cleaning the restroom, clean and check your equipment for damage. Then, check the supply closet for inventory and stock your cart for its next use.